Hello people! I think it's getting a little bit late for my Wednesday wave, so I'm just going to convert it to Thursday thumbs up. And this is what I've been up to. Last night I was watching a film with my dad, and he asked him why the light was longer than the bullet could possibly be, and he kept on banging on about persistence. Right, okay, he was banging on about persistence of vision. So I got my soldering iron out to experiment with what I had just learned. And this is what I made. I got an old computer fan and blue tacked them together. And you can see one of the LEDs flashes from red to green. And then I connected it to a battery and closed all the blinds. And this is what I saw. If you slow the film down, this is what it looks like. So I had a bigger idea. Do you remember this old computer fan? We chopped it up and made it into this thing. So I told my dad my idea and he knocked this up for me. This is the design without the wires. This is the design with the wires. So now it's time to get my soldering iron out again. And this is what it looks like so far. And this is what it might look like later. Tune in for the next installment.